Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Web Analytics we have reached the conclusion, the concluding part of the Web Analytics series. In conclusion, what we are going to see right now is what are the chapters that we have seen so far and what are the chapters that included in the respective analytics course. Let's check them out. We have seen from the beginning the introduction to web analytics. In the introduction, we have seen what is web analytics, how web analytics works, what are the benefits of web analytics, and the process of web analytics related chapters. Then we have seen the data source. In the data source, how the data is collected, how the data is processed, how the data is reported, how the data is visualized. And we have also seen the segmentation. In segmentation, how the data that is collected in the web analytics is segmented separately in terms of the users from the countries, from the cities, from the demographics, from the genders, so that you can take actionable information, informed decisions based on the segmentation of the data. We have also seen the dashboard, how actually the dashboard of a web analytics, particularly the Google Analytics dashboard, looks like, what are the key features of the dashboard, and how you can actually go about analyzing the dashboard. We have seen the important chapter called conversions. What is basically conversions, how conversions happening, what we need to do more and more conversions, and why actually conversions are so important, and how actually you can view the conversions through the web analytics. We have also seen in-depth analysis of the Google Analytics. What are the functions, the features, the benefits of Google Analytics, how you can install Google Analytics, and how you can actually track the performance of your website through Google Analytics. We have also seen another analytics tool called Moz Analytics. What are the benefits of Moz Analytics, some of the screenshots of Moz Analytics, and what are the benefits of Moz Analytics. We have also seen Optimizely, how Optimizely will help you drive more and more conversions, what kind of testing that can be done through the Optimizely, because how you can go about optimizing your web presence, websites, web portals, or landing pages. We have also seen the another tool called Kissmetrics. What are the benefits of Kissmetrics, how the Kissmetrics will be help you in terms of the heat map that it generates and the kind of traffic it shows, and how the scrolling methodology works in Kissmetrics. We have also seen Crazy Egg. What are the benefits, important tool called Crazy Egg, what are the benefits and what are the features of the Crazy Egg. We have also seen PWIC, excellent tool for web analytics, and what are the benefits and the features of PWIC. We have seen Oprah, what are the benefits and the features of Oprah, and we have seen practical test study of what are the features and the benefits of Oprah. We have seen another open source analytical tool called Open Web Analytics, how Open Web Analytics works and what are the benefits of Open Web Analytics. We have seen Clicky, another important analytical tool. Clicky offers you a lot of benefits and features. And e-commerce analytics, how actually you can go about using web analytics for your e-commerce portals, for your e-commerce website, how the conversion is happening, how the conversion funnel works, what you need to do to go about to drive more and more traffic, more and more leads, and more conversions. We have also seen A/B testing. What is A/B testing, how A/B testing works, why we need to do A/B testing, what is the framework and the process of A/B testing, so on and so forth. We have also seen automated reporting in Google Analytics, and of course the annotation. Why automated reporting is so important, to make sure that you can generate the reports and you can automate the entire process using Google Analytics. We have also seen some of the enterprise analytics, enterprise analytics that actually helps you in actually automating the entire process of the analytical process in an enterprise at the company level, at the organization level. They are very big tools, and they offer lot of benefits and features in the enterprise level analytics. We have also seen some of the best practices you can think of implementing as far as web analytics are concerned, and these are some of the chapters that we have seen in this tutorial of web analytics. Hope you learn from it and you implement it for your own company or organization's growth. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.